What we have here is an Echolette E51 echo generator. It is an old tube-based echo generator. When we look inside, then we see here that it uses tubes and it uses an endless tape to record and to produce the echo and the delay. It actually has 3 recording heads and it has 2 play heads. And with the recording heads and the play heads being in distance to each other, the delay and the echo is generated. So when we look at the front, then we see here 3 jacks, and these are the input jacks. These 2 here are pre-amplified. The volume controls are here and the tone controls are here. This one is not amplified and it has a volume control here. Then we see the volume control for the 3 play heads, for the 3 recording heads. Each recording head having its own volume control and or level control. And the standard setup is putting it to number 4. What we see here is a switch bar. Over here to the right is the main switch. The odd thing about the main switch is when it's pressed, then the device is off, and when it is out, when it is not pressed, then the device is on. Then over here to the right, we have the switch for the echo. Again, if it is pressed, the echo is switched on, and if it is out, if it is out, the echo is switched on. If it is pressed, then the echo is switched off. Here we have long delay and here we have short delay. Then over here we have the tone control for the playheads, and here we have the 2 buttons that we usually play with. One is here for the reverb level, for the echo level, and one is for the duration. Now this one is a little bit tricky. If we turn the echo level up too much, then it gives positive feedback or a vicious loop, and the sound really gets bad. If that happens, then this potentiometer has to be turned down quickly to 0. And then you can turn it back up again. Here we have indicator light when the unit is switched on, and here we have the so-called magic eye, which is a level indicator. This is all the front part. So standard setup is non-used inputs are the volume control is turned to 0. Then tone controls are all set to the middle. Also here this tone control is set to the middle. Then for the recording heads, the volume control is all set to 4. And the level control for the echo is set to around 3. And then the duration is set to whatever we want to have it. Now on the back side we have the mains cable, and obviously the voltage has to be set up correctly here. In Europe we set it to 240 volts. A fuse, and then here, this is important, we have the output jack. Pin number 3 is the actual output with echo signal. Pin number 5 is the the signal without the echo, so it's a clean amplification. And then pin number 4 is another input. Over here there's a check to connect foot switches, and we can connect the foot switch here to switch on and off the echo, or to mute the output signal altogether.